Mm. Hello, 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 hello. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I need to learn and study how to use internet free in your mobile phone or machine and some materials that can be used in internet. I can start to study how to use internet free in your phone. Start. You switch on mobile data and go to app HI Tuna Plus. HI Tuna Plus. Wait. Please wait and we may go. Wait. When this app is opened, you set your mobile data. Your mobile data. Yes. Okay. This app you can use in this service customer SNSS trees mode and click username host bracket v2 bracket, click and save. Preserve SNA, click and I can write website www.com gorilla game.com. Okay. Full stop play gorilla games akadomo.com and then you finish to write website full stop play gorilla games full stop com. You can click on start. That can help to use internet free in your mobile phone. Let's start. You see in renew access what and you your access to the server. If you do not perform this step, your connection will be interrupted. Revenue from ads will assist us in keeping these services free and unlimited, not urban. Time cannot be accumulated and expires if not used. Watch video free. Okay, I can using free in my mobile. I can use my app that can know when my YouTube channel is grow. YT Studio, YouTube Studio, YouTube Studio. Wait, YouTube Studio. This app, it can use internet free because of HI Tuna Plus app. Download HI Tuna Plus. Download HT Tuna Plus. My YouTube channel, Studio. Alad Fan is my YouTube channel. It have 1.2 565 subscribers. Okay. Analytic last 28 days estimate revenue trade today. Views 548 views. Watch time 27 hours. Subscribers 6 subscribers, and you estimate revenue. My YouTube channel, it can use every something because of internet free through HI Tuna Plus app. It can use internet free. When you need to use internet free, you can download internet free. That can help to use all app needed internet to use. No internet connect. Yes, wait, I wait. You see, I use internet free. When you see, do you see? Yes. Thanks for watching this video, and not forgot to click subscribe on my YouTube channel and share. Thanks ever so much.